In this video, we're going to explore Excel's powerful database functions. These are invaluable tools for analyzing and calculating data based on complex criteria. We will be looking at DSUM, DCOUNT, and DAVERAGE functions. So let's dive in. Database functions perform calculations on data that meet specific criteria within a structured list or table. Think of them as advanced filters combined with calculations. They are criteria-based, enabling you to apply complex conditions to filter data. Also, they support multiple operations like sum, count, average, and many more calculations. All database functions follow a similar structure or syntax. You'll use the function name, followed by 3 key arguments. These arguments are database, field, and criteria. The database is the range containing your data table, including headers. Field refers to the column on which to perform the calculation. This can be specified as a column name or number. Criteria, the last argument, refers to the range containing the conditions that must be met. The DSUM function adds up numeric values in a field where records match your specified criteria. The syntax for DSUM is DSUM, open parenthesis, database, comma, field, comma, criteria, close parenthesis. For example, equals DSUM, A1 D10, sales, F1 G2. Some common use cases for the DSUM function include calculating total sales by region or product, and summing expenses within specific date ranges. The DCOUNT function counts the number of records that contain non-blank values and match your criteria. The syntax for DCOUNT is DCOUNT, open parenthesis, database, comma, field, comma, criteria, close parenthesis. For example, equals DCOUNT, A1 D10, product, F1 G2. Use cases for DCOUNT include counting customers by region and tracking orders above a certain value. The DAVERAGE function calculates the average of numeric values in a field where records match your criteria. The syntax for DAVERAGE is DAVERAGE, open parenthesis, database, comma, field, comma, criteria, close parenthesis. For example, equals DAVERAGE, A1 D10, score, F1 G2. Use cases for DAVERAGE include calculating average sales per product category and determining mean performance by department. To effectively use database functions, the criteria range must be set up correctly. The first row contains field names or headers. This must match the database headers exactly. The second row contains the criteria values. Multiple criteria in the same row are treated as an AND condition, meaning all conditions must be met. Let's look at a practical example. Suppose you have sales data and want to find totals, counts, and averages for the North region. The sample data range is A1, C10, which includes product, region, and sales. Your criteria range is E1, E2, where region equals North. To get the total sales for the North region, use the formula equals DSUM, A1, C10, sales, E1, E2. To get the record count, use equals count, A1, C10, sales, E1, E2. To get the average sales, use equals DAVERAGE, A1, C10, sales, E1, E2. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.